Well, everyone, the Apple Pencil Pro has just officially came out, and you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and connect the Apple Pencil Pro to your iPad that might be compatible with this particular device. Now, the first thing to keep in mind is that not every single iPad is supported on here, so you may want to go and make sure that your Apple Pencil Pro is supported on that iPad that you want to go and buy it. Now, the way to go and connect it is very easy. There's a side of your Apple Pencil Pro that's completely flat. So you can see on this side, this particular side of the Apple Pencil is completely flat, and there's also a flat side of your iPad where the volume buttons are. So you want to find where the volume buttons are of your iPad. To the side of that, like right in the middle, is like a little bit of an indent where you can go and connect this Apple Pencil. So what you want to do is you want to grab that flat side of the Apple Pencil, and you want to go and place it right on top of your particular iPad. Now, when you do that, usually a little pop-up will come up that will basically show you and indicate to you that this iPad has discovered that Apple Pencil. So all you're really going to have to do there is to literally go through and just follow the on-screen instructions. It'll allow you to go through and just basically follow the on-screen instructions from there. And then whenever you're ready, you can go and disconnect it, and then you should be able to use your particular Apple Pencil with your iPad. Now what you can do here is you can open up your settings application of your particular iPad just like this. And what you can do here is you can just find that Apple Pencil section. So there's a little Apple Pencil section right here. You can go and tap on it, and then you'll see all sorts of different features within your particular Apple Pencil right here that you can go and kind of like mess with as well. So that's basically how to do it. That's how to connect your Apple Pencil Pro to your iPad. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.